Hello and welcome to this video. In this session, we will see the notification form in the MPCDSR software. This form is available in both the block level and the facility level logins. We will log in through a block login detail at the block level. On the dashboard, there is an MDSR data menu that you can see on the top left corner on your screen. In the MDSR data menu, there is a Form 1 notification form on the top. And when we click on this, the form opens up. Now to add a new record in Form 1, we will check on the Add New button located on the top right corner of the screen. And it will open up a blank form in front of us. Following this, the names of the state, district, and block or facility will come automatically. And we just need to fill the village name, which we can type here. Enter RCH ID if it is available. Then the details of deceased woman will be entered here. Now, in this section, some of the fields are mandatory fields. As we can see, all the mandatory fields have been highlighted with a red asterisk. So, we need to fill up the first name, last name if available, name of husband, name of father, current residence, age, etc. Age is important here. So, in the age field, we need to define the age of the deceased woman, the mobile number, the date, and the time of death. Here, the calendar option will open up where we can select any date. And also, we can select the time. The time can also be changed here. So this way, date and time can be selected. And in case of place of death, since we have logged in from a block level login, we have these options: home transit and health facility, that is, other or private, etc. So we can select the option as applicable. Now the next question is, when did death occur? Here we shall notice there are 5 points and we need to select one of them. Please remember that if we select any of the first 4 options, it will be treated as a maternal death. If we select none of the above, then it will be treated as a non-maternal death. So, here you can see I have selected one option and it is a maternal death. Going further, we need to fill in the reporting details. Who has reported this death and when? So again, date needs to be selected here. Designation of the reporter like Asha, A&M or individual. Their name, mobile number, and then who has verified this death. Then comes the date of verification. And then we need to submit. So it's a very simple and easy process to fill up form, wherein we need to fill all the information related to the deceased, the period of death, when the death occurred, and then submit the same. Now see, when we click on submit, if we have missed any field, it will give us an error alert. And it will ask for filling up the field. For instance, here we have missed the village field. Since village is mandatory, we need to put in some information. So we have put in the village name and now we can submit the data. And the message appears saying that the record is added successfully. And now we can click on OK and our form has been saved. Now, if you want to edit or view these details of the person for whom we have filled the details, then we can see that by going to the action column here. In this action column, the pen icon means that we want to edit the form and can open it in the edit mode. And the eye icon means that it is for viewing purpose only. So if we click on the eye icon, then the forms opens up only for the viewing purpose. And from here itself, we can click on the PDF button and download the form in the PDF format. And if we want to edit this form, we will click on the pen icon and accordingly, the form will open up in an editing mode. We can then do the required changes and then submit it again. The message will confirm that the record has been updated successfully. So this way, the data entry in Form 1, that is the notification form, is done. It is the first form for data entry in the MPCDSR software. And the same form is applicable in both the block level logins as well as the facility level logins. That's all for this session. Thank you for watching this video.